So today I'm going to teach you how to summarize a document using Chatgpt. Very simple, very easy to do. What you just have to know, okay, you have a document you want to summarize. Maybe you have like a 30-page document and it's too much for you to read and just go through it. What you just have to do is you click on this plus sign where you can add files and more. You click on it. Then you click on the add photos and files. Then let me look for a document I can add. Okay, let me choose this. Embers of the Forbidden Crown. Open. So it's going to load and try and upload. So you can just so you just give it a prompt and tell it summarize summarize this document into whatever, either a paragraph or two paragraphs or just a page. You can just tell, or you can say into a few main ideas and click enter. So ChatGPT does this thing, goes through the document and it summarizes it. So you can see it goes through the document. Take for example like a storybook that I wrote. So it summarizes everything. It's about like 35 pages or so that you can see. They are the main ideas of Embers of the Forbidden Roses, of the Forbidden Crown, sorry. So it summarizes it makes work easier for you. You don't have to go through a whole 35-page document when you know you don't have the time and it might be very stressful for you. So that's but what I always advise you do is after going through the summary, also try and go through the document, just scan through to be sure that it's um it's correct. But most times it's always correct. It has never made the mistakes of writing something different from what is in the document. So that's how to summarize a document using Chat GPT. Thank you very much.